Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. So it is March 8th today. I have a user interface design lab due tonight at midnight and report number 4 for plant design. Report number 3, we all designed individual units, and then report 4, we gotta put them together, get a tentative final chemical process. Basically, we're trying to design a distillation column that will separate chloromethane from water and hydrochloric acid. So this is called a process flow diagram. We're feeding in methanol and hydrochloric acid. Once the pressure is the same, they can be mixed together, and then they are continued to be heated up to the desired inlet temperature of the reactor. This is the reactor I designed for report 3. Then we're going to have two-phase separators. Basically, it just separates gas from liquids. And then after that, this is where we're working on right now. So basically we are producing our product chloromethane, but we want it to be purified. So it has to come out at 99.9% purity. So just because we produce it doesn't mean we're done. Now we have to send the outlet of the reactor through a bunch of different separation units in order to get chloromethane, our desired product, pretty much by itself. That's what all this stuff's for. And then this is gonna plug into, we have 2 different distillation column units, but we're just trying to figure out how to get them to work together, and then we will put them in. So my partner was just working on the distillation column, so he said he'd send me his current copy, and we're just trying to figure out how to get this thing to run. Where we're at now is this. This stream is gonna feed into a distillation column. Chloromethane and hydrochloric acid will be in the gas phase. Water will be in the liquid phase, and water will just be able to separate out the bottom. So once we figure out this column, we'll just put it into the next one and we should be good. So it's now 5 p.m. here. So we've got this distillation column pretty much done now, and this compressor right now is compressing the gases going in by 500 kilopascals up to 2,400. So it can't just do that all in one go because the temperature will be too high and all the seals and everything inside the compressor will melt. So basically what we got to do now is add a few different compressors and interstage cooling between each of them. 904 here. So I put the interstage cooling here. So we got one heat exchanger to cool it down between the 2 compressors. We got coming out of the 2-phase separators, gonna go through this compression and cooling stage before going into the distillation column. This is now done, it's now converged. Now we just need to add one more column with a recycle of hydrochloric acid. And that should be the end of this process, hopefully. Let me just send it to my group, and then I will do my coding assignment that is due tonight at 11:59. I'm in a user interface design course, so we're just learning web development. This week, basically, it's a part 1 of a 3-part lab, so we just have to design a website of our choice, it says. No coding involved this week, so I'm just gonna do some thinking right now and figure out what kind of a website I want to create. So I typed up this little bit just explaining what the website's going to be about. So I'm going to code a personal brand website. It's a good opportunity because I could make something that I want to make and earn marks for it at the same time. So here's my ideas of what it's going to look like, all my different tabs, all my different pages. Page about YouTube, homepage, work, education, portfolio, and contact info. So I'm gonna finish this little report about it, finish up my sketches, and I will submit them. Thank you guys for watching. I just make these videos highlighting the grind, highlighting the process. I think in life, so often we see people when they're already fully evolved and after they've already gone through so many trials and tribulations, and you might not truly appreciate or might not know what went in to that end product. So I think just making these videos, highlighting the process of getting from point A to point B, that's the whole point of this channel, just to show the grind, to show that it's not something that happens overnight. It's not something that's going to happen in a week, a month, a year. It's just a slow, arduous process on the quest for greatness. So that's basically it for me. Thank you guys for watching. and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.